Yeah, please go on.
A car is accelerating along a straight horizontal road. The diagram shows forces acting on the car. Which forces are balanced?
Yeah, this is a tricky question. You have to think.
Okay, sir.
In first few words, we have the clue. What should be the answer?
So it's contact force and weight.
Contact forces and weight. Yeah. So it should be Bangladesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Why not? It is C.
Driving force and air resistance. Because if driving force and air resistance are equal, then the speed would be constant. But it's accelerating here.
Yes, that is the clue. I told you that in first few words we have the clue. It's saying accelerating, right? So if it is
Yes, sir.
accelerating, then it is not possible to be driving force and air resistance equal.
Yes,
If
sir.
if they are equal, then there will be constant speed. And if it is constant speed, there will be no acceleration, right? Okay.
Yes.
Next, please read.
A single force is applied to a body. What cannot happen? Okay. I think it's B. Change in the mass of the body initially at rest.
Correct. Then continue C.
A body slides down a frictionless slope as shown. As the body presses on the surface pushes back on the body. In which direction does the surface push back on the body? I think it's C.
Yes, correct.
The Earth travels at a constant speed in a circular orbit around the Sun. Which arrow shows the direction of acceleration of the Earth and direction of velocity of the Earth? I think it's B. Direction of acceleration Q and the direction of velocity are P. Option B.
Can you check your notes?
Yes, sir.
Can you check your notes? Circular motion.
Yes.
So what is the direction of acceleration given there?
It acts
And direction of
in a straight
velocity?
line, perpendicular,
So
in tangent.
still you are in Bangladesh, or you will change your answer?
I need to think.
Yeah. So check.
I found the answer. It's D. Direction of acceleration R and velocity Q.
So from Bangladesh, you came to Dhaka.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yes, this one.
A skydiver falls at terminal velocity. He then opens his parachute. Which rule gives the direction of resultant force on the skydiver and the direction of acceleration immediately after the parachute opens?
Yeah, this one is a tough question. You have to think and find it. You use the idea of deceleration, use the idea of friction, that will help you to get it.
Sure.
So skydiver immediately after the parachute opens, that time what will be the acceleration and resultant force direction. I'm giving another clue. According to Newton's second law, uh, the acceleration and resultant force should be in the same direction.
Okay.
So three clues I gave you. I think it will be easier to get.
I think it's upwards.
Hmm? Did you get?
I'm still thinking.
Okay, okay. Think. If you are thinking, it's good. Even if your answer is wrong, thinking is always giving you benefits.
So I think it's D.
Bangladesh or Dhaka?
Upwards, upwards.
Yeah, correct. Why it's upwards, upwards? Can I explain?
Because when you open the parachute, there is more air resistance,
Mm-hmm.
and then so his acceleration will decrease. So if acceleration is pointed downwards, so deceleration will be the opposite, upwards, and the resultant force is supposed to be greater because the parachute gives a lot of air resistance, so it's upwards, upwards.
Yes, correct. So you write this note in MCQ 5. You write this note in your copy. It happens sometimes that our own explanation we forget. The way you are thinking now, maybe it will take some time to recall, right? In some cases.
Yes.
So you take this note now, then you can recall easily.
So I've taken the notes.
Yeah, yeah. Please read question 6.
An engine pulls a truck at constant speed on a level track. The link between the engine and the truck breaks. The driving force on the engine remains constant. What effect does this have on the engine and on the truck? So I think it is A.
Bangladesh,
A.
Dhaka.
A. A. First letter of
Oh, oh,
alphabet
A,
A.
A. Okay, I got it. Okay,
So is this
so
correct or wrong?
I'm giving you. I won't say it directly. Like you are and your mom is playing, huh? For example, and
Okay.
you are just standing, or you are sitting, like uh, you are sitting on a, I am giving you one example, like you are sitting on the bed, and your mom is pulling you, huh? Standing beside the bed, huh? Then uh, she's trying to pull you, and you are little bit, uh, you know little bit accelerated also, little bit. And once she released you, what will happen? uh, you will you will not stop immediately, huh? You will just have a shake, huh? You will have a shake, and because of the inertia you will stop then. But your mom, what will happen? She will go a little bit forward, right? Like with her direction she will go a
Yes.
little bit forward. Why it is? Because she was pulling you with a force, and that force was balanced by your weight. But
Yes.
when she released you, then the balancing force is now working towards her direction, so she will little bit speed up, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So that is also happening
Yes.
for engine, that speeds up, and the truck will slow down.
But it says a driving force remains constant. So I got
Yeah,
confused.
driving force is constant, but the weight, it was with engine and truck together, it was more before. Weight is working here as for balancing the force, isn't it? So when
Yes.
the weight is now less for the engine, if it has same driving force than like before, then of course it will now go with greater speed, isn't it?
Okay, sir. Yes.
So six, the answer will be Bangladesh. Then seven is very easy.
The diagram shows a car going around a circular track at constant speed. Which arrow shows the direction of resultant force of the car?
Yeah,
I think it's C.
can you see your notes?
Okay, sir. Okay, so now I think it's B.
Dhaka,
B, B.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Resultant force.
So it's the velocity, right?
Yeah, look here, it's
That
written here, circular track. So it's dealing with circular motion, right?
yes.
So if it is circular motion, the resultant force should be towards the center of the circle.
On the acceleration, right?
Yeah, resultant force, acceleration, both.
Okay, sir.
According to Newton's second law, acceleration and resultant force both are working in the same direction, right?
Okay, sir.
So what should be the answer? Dhaka.
Yes, D.
Yeah. Then next, we are going to.
So can I take the notes first?
Sure, sure, sure.
Thank you, sir. Start taking the notes.
Hmm? Yeah, it's a tricky question, right? This one is
Yes.
also a tricky question.
Each diagram shows two forces that are equal in magnitude. Which diagram shows two forces that are a Newton's third law pair of forces?
Yeah, third law pair. Newton's third law pair. Yes. Adrita,
Yes, sir.
have you got the answer?
I'm still thinking.
Hmm. Adrida,
Yes, sir.
have you got?
It is thinking.
Okay, still thinking.
Sir, I think it's B before Bangladesh. Hello?
Sorry?
I think it is B before Bangladesh.
Okay, we will discuss it in next class. I I have to
Okay, sir.
close the window now because some other students from other batches they are waiting. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you so much for joining. So you will send me the
Sir.
notes. Send me
Yes,
the
sir. Some
notes.
sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, some sir. Okay, sir.